I've been John Rafa. I'm your speaker for today. My topic is all about anti-bullying. I want to talk about something that a lot of people go through, but not many like to talk about bullying. It's something that can happen anywhere, in classroom, in hallways, even online. And sometimes it happens right in front of us, but we stay quiet because we don't know what to do. The truth is, bullying isn't just about physical fights or name calling. It can be ignoring someone on purpose, spreading rumors, or making fun of someone just to get a laugh. What might seem like a joke to one person can completely break someone else's confidence. I think sometimes people forget how powerful words can be. One hurtful comment can stick in someone's mind for days, weeks, even years. But they say just for kindness, one kind word can give someone hope when they really need it. Every one of us deserves to be treated with respect. It doesn't matter what we look like, how we talk, or where we come from. Everyone deserves to feel safe and accepted. And if you ever see someone being bullied, please don't just walk away. You don't have to fight or shout. Sometimes just standing beside that person or saying, "Hey, are you okay?" is enough to show them they're not alone. Your voice matters more than you think. To anyone who's ever been bullied, I want you to remember this. What people say about you doesn't define who you are. You are strong, you are worthy, and you have the right to be yourself. Don't let someone else's cruelty make you forget your value. Let's make our school a place where kindness is the rule, not the exception. Let's lift each other up instead of tearing each other down. Because at the end of the day, we all want the same thing: to feel accepted, to feel respect, and to feel like we belong. Thank you for listening.